Transferring money from Wise. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. In this updated video, I'll show you step by step how to send money to your account. It's a quick and easy process using the Wise app. So let's get started, folks. I'm already in my account and you'll click on the send option up here. Send and all your accounts will appear below. I have two registered accounts here, one with Banco Bradesco and another with my PIX key linked to my CPF. You'll choose one of these accounts. If you don't have any accounts registered, click on Add Recipient up here. Now folks, choose the currency you want to transfer. If it doesn't appear here, you can search for the currency up top. Then you can set up the PIX option if it's available in your country. It can also be by Wise tag, email or phone number, Wise account or bank details. So you can click here on bank details to send. If it's for yourself, personal, click the first option. If it's for someone else, second option. If it's for a company, third option. I'll click here on myself, the first option to send to myself. Enter all your bank details, full name, bank name, branch code, account number, account type, whether checking or savings, and your CPF. Then click Continue. With the bank account registered, you can enter the transfer amount from Wise to your bank account. Just click Continue below after you enter the amount. Confirm if everything is correct. If your bank account is correct, the transfer amount is correct. Then just click Confirm and Send. Quick and easy, folks. Got it? Leave a comment below. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Take care and God bless. Thanks.